Welcome to Stage 2 of the Understanding by Design framework, Evidence or Assessment. In this video, we'll explore how to design assessments that authentically measure student understanding. In Stage 2, we focus on identifying the evidence that demonstrates student learning. This includes performance tasks and other assessments that show students can achieve the goals outlined in Stage 1. Properly designed assessments ensure that what we measure truly reflects what students have learned. Performance tasks are assessments that require students to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world or meaningful contexts. When you think of performance tasks, think of real-world demonstrations of learning. For example, a student might create a presentation, design a project, or solve a complex problem. These tasks show not just what students know, but what they can do with their knowledge. Notice how this performance task directly aligns with the learning objectives from Stage 1. This ensures that students are practicing exactly what they are expected to demonstrate. In addition to performance tasks, we also consider other evidence, such as quizzes, journals, or discussions. These provide multiple ways to assess student understanding and give a fuller picture of student learning. Evaluative criteria, including rubrics and scoring guides, define how student work will be judged. Clear criteria help students understand expectations and provide consistent, fair assessment. These criteria also allow instructors to give targeted feedback that supports student growth. Reflection and coherence involve reviewing all assessments to ensure alignment with learning goals. Students should have multiple opportunities to demonstrate understanding, which promotes both fair assessment and deeper learning. By designing aligned, authentic assessments, we can accurately measure student learning and guide students toward mastery of the intended goals. Thanks for watching. See you in Stage 3. Take a moment to review the resources used to compile this report. And if you want to learn more about UbD, check out some of these books that come next.